Introducing corner relief cuts, an innovative detail designed to make part removal smoother and more reliable. By adding small relief cuts around sharp corners and irregular cutouts, this enhancement prevents parts from getting stuck in the skeleton of a sheet during the removal process. Whether you're working with sheet metal or heavy plate, these cuts help parts unload cleanly and consistently. That's especially critical in automated environments, where a part that gets hung up during the removal process can shift the skeleton, disrupt that process, and result in unnecessary downtime. Users will have their choice of 4 different relief cut types, giving them the flexibility to choose the best option for their specific parts and processes. In an industry where part unloading has become a major bottleneck, corner relief cuts offer a practical solution to keep operations flowing. By proactively addressing common hang-up points, they reduce interruptions, improve overall process reliability, and support automation, keeping your workflow moving. It's a small change with a big impact.